So in the early 80s, people who suffered from cancer and type 2 diabetes were people over 50, right? But now, even newborn babies are being diagnosed with these ailments and different diseases. And we do blame it on things like industrial waste and grandma. This is the truth. You are not only what you eat, but you are also what you think and what you feel. If you agree, then stick with me. Michiamo, Mrs. Ajaj, greetings and welcome to Healthy with Ajaj. So today I'm going to share with you 5 food you are eating that is killing you slowly, plus 1 ingredient you need to eliminate from your kitchen. Nobody is perfect, and I know you have to eat what you get around you because you wake up early, go to work or school, and come home tired, so you cannot cook. You may get fast food 5 times in a week, eat at a restaurant or your favorite chop bar. If you are doing this consistently, you are killing yourself slowly. Yes, so stop eating these food. They are toxic and you are eating them on a daily basis, and you're still wondering why you feel moody or sick. Just keep them out of your kitchen and out of your mouth. So now, before I get into it, I'd like you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Comment some food you think or you know can kill you. Now, let's get into the list. Number 1, processed meat. Processed meats are meats that have been preserved by not only smoking or salting, but also adding chemical preservative. They include deli meat, bacon, ham, sausage, corned beef, the Ghanaian favorite salted beef, momone, hot dog, and others. Eating processed meat increases the risk of cancer. Unfortunately, when these processed meats are preserved, cancer-causing substances form. So think twice before you put into your mouth. Okay? All right. So number 2 on our list is dairy milk. I know. Milk is essential for babies. But once you are old, we don't need that. No other animal does. So milk is part of the mucus forming food, which can increase cancer cell. And we will talk about that in another video. Did you know that 65 to 75% of people in the world are lactose intolerant? I am. And I know you know it's the truth. We can't digest milk. So taking 3 cups a day can double the rate of death. This is what studies tells us. Number 3 on our list is diet soda and her sister, fruit juice. I know what's going through your mind now.
No. Diet soda is better than regular soda, right? Wrong.
So not only is diet soda linked to cancer, but the more you drink, the more you can gain weight because it contains coloring agents, artificial sweeteners, excitosins that kills your brain cells. When you take it, your brain doesn't recognize it as food, so you eat and eat and eat and eat till you become fat. Just avoid anything that has diet. What about fruit juice? So fruit juice is often marketed as healthy, but hey, looks can be deceiving. I know, you can't judge a book by its cover. When you remove juice from your fruit, you get rid of the fiber and most nutrients. You are left with less vitamins and more sugar, which is equal to more calories than what is found in normal soda. This goes directly to your bloodstream, so it's just like taking glucose. But if you don't need it, why should you take it? You know, sugar is cancer's favorite food, right? Sugar. Let's not go there. Number 4 is highly processed food or instant food. Highly processed foods are processed or prepared food and drink that they add excess sodium, sugar, or saturated fats to the diet. They include sugary drinks, chocolate and candies, ice cream and frozen desserts, instant noodles, potato chips, sausages, and more. They have tons of sodium, saturated fats, and sugar to make them ready to eat, but also to increase its shelf life. The last food on the list is sweet cereals, and they include this, and these. I am right. What do we normally eat it with? Milk. Yes, so it's double the result. We give these to our toddlers and they tend to be addicted for the rest of their life. So make the right choice before you purchase it and take home. Now, the one ingredient you need to eliminate: MSG. What is it? Monosodium glutamate. So MSG is a flavor enhancer. It looks like salt, commonly added to Chinese and African food, canned vegetables, soup, processed meats, and etc. It is commonly used in making the famous Maggi cube and Maggi soy sauce. So MSG has been linked with obesity, metabolic disorders, Chinese restaurant syndrome, neurotoxic effects, and detrimental effects on both the male and female reproductive organ. So be the judge here. Is it causing high rates of infertility in the world? Hello. Now, family, I know you are going to ask yourself, now what do I eat? Well, that's for another video. Be a lifesaver and share this video with your friends and family. Medase.